I don't care what they are thinking. Glitter shower pouring like it's nothing. No one
Happy birthday! Bilis lang ng panahon, parang kahapon lang. And now you're already 7 years old. Today is your special day and nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil binigyan ka niya ng panibagong taon.
wanna have some fun, let's break the rules. Ah, Kurumi, how cool, yeah, look at me, turn into my best version.
Happy birthday, Caitlyn. Wish ko sa iyo na palagi kang gabayan ni God. Hiling ko din na bigyan ka ng magandang buhay paglaki.
And let's welcome our birthday celebrant in this Sanrio World 5th Party! Palakpakan po natin Alicia Caitlyn Fontanales Santo
Who are you hiding there? Don't tell me who I am. Greedy, greedy, we gotta go. What I want is what I need, and you'll never see me cry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Caitlyn, happy birthday, mahal. Alam mo yan, mahal na mahal kita. Simula pa nung ikay maliit, ako yung nag-aruga sa iyo. Sobrang mahal na mahal kita.
Own way, Chromie's on fire, claiming the universe, dance like a star. Don't mess with my style. Boom, 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 going boom, boom, boom. Don't stop me now, I'm free as a bird. I do what I want, say what I rule. Ah, Chromie, how cool, yeah, look at me, happy. I know I'm gonna make all my dreams come true. Ah,
Happy birthday, mahal ko. Wish ko na sana ay hindi ka na magkakasakit. Sana ay lumaki kang malusog. Laging may karoon ng takot sa Diyos. Mahalin si Mami at Daddy. Mahal na mahal kita. Love you.
who are you hiding there? Don't tell me who I am. Greedy, greedy, we gotta go. What I want is what I need, and you'll never see me cry.
Happy birthday, Caitlyn! I love you!